Hi Stan, it's Jeremiah. Here are your beautiful Hengels knives before and after I sharpened them. Honestly, they're in pretty good condition. They just really needed to be sharpened. I didn't notice any major nicks and there were a few bent tips, but overall it wasn't too bad at all. They just definitely needed to be resharpened. You can see now though, they are slicing through the paper like absolute crazy. Sharpen them all about 17 degrees, which is the recommended angle for Hengels knives. You're gonna have so much more fun now slicing and dicing in the kitchen.